Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
मैं बकरा पिता है. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello.
Start our
Ma'am, सबको बोलो अपना मैं.
turn on your camera, beta. Just a
मैम
minute.
तो आ भी गया.
मैम डल रहा दिख रही है.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Everyone is ready? Okay, join your hand. Join your hand. Join your hand, beta. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, and start. Rub your hand, everyone. Rub your hand. And steady on your face, long. Okay, everyone, ready for exercise? Ready for the exercise, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, hold your ears.
Yes, ma'am.
Exercise time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now who will give the thought of the day?
Ma'am, can I give? Ma'am, nothing is impossible in the life. Nothing is impossible in the life.
Okay, beta, nothing is impossible in the life. Now here is Gia de Trozas. Rise, awake, and stop not till your goal is achieved. Beta, it's repeating. Today is Sid Phalodia's birthday, so everyone wish him. Everyone.
Happy birthday, Teen.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Teen.
Birthday,
Thank you to all.
Happy birthday, Tirth.
Happy birthday, Teen.
Thank you. Happy birthday, Tirth. Happy birthday, Tirth.
Okay, beta.
Happy
Now-
birthday, Teen. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, मैं ऐड हो गया. आज मैम का बर्थडे.
हर्षवर्धन
Yes, ma'am. मैम हैप्पी बर्थडे मैम.
हो गया है?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am adding NPS 6th group. Thank you.
Okay, welcome, beta.
Ma'am.
Beta, write in chat box. Okay. Everyone is wishing to teeth. Okay. Yes, the thought, Dhara's thought is 1 apple a day keeps doctor away. Okay. Now, Kruti, off your video, beta. Kruti. Okay. Now, we will start our lecture. Beta, timetable, our admin staff is not available at school. When they will come, then the type version will come, and in group, that timetable will send. Okay. Beta, roll number and timetable will send you on group after some time. Okay, just wait. We are also waiting. Okay. So now we will start our lecture. What we have to read? What is our today's topic? Which textbook? All are remember or not? Yes, geography. We have completed the first page of geography. Yes, I have to explain that why moon changes its phases. I have said with you that I will explain you why moon change its shape. Okay? It's okay, beta. जिसके पास geography book नहीं है, you can purchase it. If it is not available at Anand Stationery, you can Xerox with your friend. You can also order it on Amazon. Okay, our NCERT's books are also available on Amazon, so you can purchase from there. अगर आनंद स्टेशनरी में 1-2 दिन में आ जाती है, then you can purchase from there. If it will take time, so you have an option to Xerox it or purchase from other site. Okay, beta? Yes, today we will firstly revise it. Today we will firstly revise the page number 1 and then we'll start the page number 2. Okay? So I'm going to explain you your page number. I'm going to ask the question between the page number 1. Okay, which you have learnt in previous lecture. So everyone is ready for the oral revision of page number 1. Okay. See, teeth. Beta, in revision all the topics will come which we completed tomorrow. Okay. So, first question is, what is called full moon? What is called full moon? What is called full moon? Yes, full moon is called Purnima. Okay. All are aware about the full moon. Okay. And now next question is, what is called new moon? 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 Yes, beta, Neptunes are very far. Neptune is very far from the earth and also the sun. Yes, Amavasya. The new moon is called Amavasya. Okay, on Amavasya our night is a clear night because there is no मून की वजह से स्काई बिल्कुल मून दिखाई नहीं देती अमावस्या में, तो जो स्काई है, नाइट स्काई, वो पूरी तरीके से डार्क दिखाई देता है एंड यू आर एबल टू सी द फुल नाइट डे. ओके, नाउ next question is, what are celestial bodies? What are celestial bodies? What are celestial bodies? Give the answer. What are celestial bodies? Teeth, Shubham, what is going here, beta? Darsh. What are celestial bodies? Next question is, what are celestial bodies? What are celestial bodies? Objects shining in the sky are known as celestial bodies. The sun, the moon, and all shining objects in the sky is called celestial bodies. Okay, Dhara? Okay, the sun, the moon, and object that shining in the night is called celestial body. Okay, Teeth and Gia Detrosa, correct? Okay, beta. Correct answer. Okay. Now next is, what are stars? What are stars? Next question is, what are stars? What are stars? The sun is star, yes, but actually what are the sun? What is sun and stars? Sun और star है क्या? Give the answer. What are stars? Sun is also a star, but what is this? ये है क्या? Stars are burning ball of gases. Okay, stars are burning ball of gases. Hot burning ball of gases. We can say that hot burning ball of gases. Stars are celestial body, okay, but stars are a hot burning ball of gases. Stars जो है, celestial bodies तो हमारा मून भी है, सन भी है, ओके, और दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट भी हैं जो साइन कर रहे हैं. बट स्टार्स एक ऐसा celestial bodies है which has its own light and heat because of gases. Two gases are burning in all stars, helium and hydrogen, okay, which gives the heat and energy. Okay, Netra Patel, beta, I have explained all the questions of worksheet yesterday, then I gave you the question in homework. Okay, so I am not going to do the correction. I will send you the PDF in the last of the worksheet, then you can do your correction also. ठीक है बेटा? I have explained all 7 questions in classwork, then I gave you. Okay, so there is no need to do the correction. But still I will send you PDF, but in the last of worksheet. जब सारी worksheet पूरी हो जाएगी, then I will send you. Then you can do the correction. You have to write with pencil in your worksheet. Okay बच्चे? Okay बेटा? Okay, so now we will start our lecture. Okay, beta, and I'm going to explain you how moon change its phases, which things work here. Okay. So firstly, I'm going to share the screen. Okay. Just a minute. I'm going to share the screen. Okay. So firstly, I'm going to explain you how moon changed its phases, when Amavasya happened and when the full moon happened. Okay, now see. Just a minute. I'm taking the pen. Okay. So now see. You are able to see the screen. So here is the diagram of different phases of the moon. Okay. See. Here is sun rays. It means here is the sun. This is sun. And these are the rays of sun. Okay. Now listen. This is our earth. And here is full moon. And here is new moon, but moon is not visible because of its position. Because of its position. Here is new moon, but moon is not visible. This is called Amavasya. Why it's happened? See, I'm drawing here the moon in black circle. Black means you have to understand that black, moon is black here. It means here is Amavasya and it is not visible. So see the position of earth, moon and sun. When new moon, it means when Amavasya happened, then what is the position of moon? Moon is in between the earth and sun. जब अमावस्या होती है तब moon की direction क्या होती है? Location. As you all know that moon is moving around the earth, revolving around the earth. Moon is revolving around the earth. तो जब अमावस्या होती है तब मून रिवॉल्व करते करते अर्थ और सन के बीच में आ जाता है. एंड यू आर ऑल क्लियर दैट मून डज नॉट हैज इट्स ओन लाइट. मून के पास अपनी ओन लाइट नहीं होती है. ओके. तो जब अमावस्या आती है तब मून अर्थ और सन के बीच में होता है, जिसकी वजह से हमें यहाँ अर्थ पे से मून दिखाई नहीं देता. क्यों? क्योंकि मून के इस पार्ट पे सन की लाइट पड़ रही है और वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी दिस वाइट पोर्शन फ्रॉम द अर्थ. हम अर्थ से मून के दूसरे फेस को नहीं देख सकते. वी आर एबल टू सी ओनली वन फेस ऑफ मून. हमें मून का हमेशा एक ही साइड दिखाई देता है, दूसरा साइड नहीं दिखाई देता. बिकॉज ऑफ द स्पीड ऑफ मून. मून की रिवॉल्यूशन और रोटेशन करने की स्पीड सेम है, जिसकी वजह से हमें हमेशा सन का एक ही फेस दिखाई देता है. तो जब सन का नहीं, मून का हमें हमेशा एक ही फेस दिखाई देता है. सो व्हेन मून कम्स बिटवीन द अर्थ एंड सन, सो देयर इज अमावस्या. ओके. फिर जस्ट अगले दिन मून यहाँ पहुंच जाता है रिवॉल्व करके, और फिर थोड़ी सी सनलाइट जाती है और एक डायरेक्शन बनता है, जिसकी वजह से हम सिर्फ इतने ही मून को देख पाते हैं. ओके. एंड द नेम ऑफ दिस मून, द शेप ऑफ मून इज कॉल्ड वैक्सिंग क्रिएसेंट. ओके. मून के इस शेप का नाम है वैक्सिंग क्रिएसेंट. आफ्टर देन मून टेक दिस शेप. दिस इज कॉल्ड फर्स्ट क्वार्टर, यानी कि पहला क्वार्टर पार्ट यानी 1/4 पार्ट मून का तैयार होता है. ओके, आफ्टर देन मून टेक दिस शेप. अब मून का इतना पार्ट बन गया. ओके, नाउ मून टेक फुल शेप. हियर इज फुल मून. यहाँ पर मून पूरी तरीके से पूरा मून बन गया है. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड फुल मून. यानी कि अमावस्या के बाद मून अपना न्यू फेस बनाना शुरू कर देता है. इसलिए अमावस्या को न्यू मून कहते हैं कि अमावस्या के बाद अब नया मून तैयार होगा धीरे धीरे करके 15 डेज में. ओके, एंड जस्ट आफ्टर 15 डेज व्हेन फुल मून हैपन, ओके, तब मून की क्या पोजीशन है? अब यहाँ पर अर्थ मून और सन के बीच में है. अब यहाँ पर मून है, यहाँ पर अर्थ है और यहाँ पर सन है. ओके, अब नाउ just after a day of full moon, moon started to decrease its phase. अब जो यहाँ पर growing moon था, अब यहाँ पर decreasing moon है. शेप दोनों की सेम है, but here was growing and here was reducing. Okay, अब reducing last quarter. Okay, यहाँ पर growing first quarter था and here is reducing last quarter part, यानी last 1/4 part. After then, moon take this shape. This is called waning crescent. And after then, here again moon disappears. यहाँ पर आकर वापस अर्थ यहाँ से वापस चलते चलते मून जब अर्थ और सन के बीच में आ जाता है तो फिर से ये डिसअपेयर हो जाता है. इट मीन्स अमावस्या. एंड अगेन फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट डे इट स्टार्टेड टू मेक अ न्यू मून एंड अगेन this process will continue. Okay, 15 days is for growing moon and 15 days is for decreasing the shape of moon. Okay, 15 दिन moon अपने faces को बढ़ाता है and 15 days it's decreasing its face. Okay, everyone clear about this? Yes or no? Have you any doubt, beta? Have you any doubt? Pari? Pari, you need again the explanation? Pari, you can see the recording. Okay, I will send you the recording. Then you will be able to understand. Okay? Pari, it's okay, beta? It is okay or I explained right now? बेटा मैं रोज रिकॉर्डिंग भेजती हूँ ग्रुप में, सो यू कैन सी इट. लेक्चर के बाद यू नीड टू सी. कुछ रह गया हो तो यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट अवर न्यू पेज. ओके, पेज नंबर 2. Everyone open your page number 2. Now who will read? I am giving the name. Radhe Mirza, you start reading, beta. You have a book. Radhe Mirza. Radhe Mirza, beta, you have a book or not?
No, ma'am.
No, it's okay, beta. Dhara, you start reading. You have a book. Dhara.
Yes, ma'am.
You have a book, beta.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay. Start
Ma'am,
reading. Page number 2. Turn your page.
Yes, ma'am. From starting?
Yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am. You must have noticed that all objects look smaller when seen from a distance. How small an aeroplane looks when it is flying at a great height. While watching the night sky, you may notice various patterns formed by different groups of stars. These are called
constellation.
Ursa Major.
Ursa Major or Big Bear is one such constellation. One of the most easily recognizable constellation is Saptarishi. Saptarishi. Sapta 7, Rishi Tejas. It is a group of 7 stars, figure 1, that forms a part of Ursa Major constellation. Ask someone adult in your family or neighbor to show you more stars, planets, and constellations in the sky.
Okay, let me explain to you. Okay, what is given here? You must have noticed. You must have noticed that all objects.
Excuse me, ma'am. I can't be unmute. Please help me to unmute.
Okay, beta, just a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now see, you must have noticed that all objects look smaller when seen from a distance. You are all aware about this fact. When we see anything from a distance, it seems very small or teeny. Stars and aeroplanes are a great example for us. As you know, from the earth, our stars are looking very small because they are farthest to us. Okay. And aeroplane, you have seen aeroplane in the sky also and on the airport. So you can evaluate the shape and size of flying aeroplane in the sky or standing aeroplanes at the on the international or any airport. Okay, so airport, when you see the aeroplane standing on a airport, you will see that how it's big. But when aeroplane fly in the sky and it's reach farthest to our earth, okay, so it seem a small it seem in a small shape. Okay, so this is a great example to see anything from distance or near. When we see aeroplane at the near, we see that it's so big. But when we see it from the earth and it is flying, then it seems very small. So like as while watching the night sky, you may notice various patterns formed by the different groups of stars. So as you know, when you see stars from the earth, you might have observed, or you can observe, if you will see right now in the sky today or any day, you will observe that some stars make some patterns. Okay, they make patterns which we recognized कि वो किसी चीज की तरह दिखाई देते हैं. All some groups of stars make some patterns which recognize to relative things of our daily life. Okay, so here is the example. And a group of stars which make any recognized patterns known as the constellations. Okay, any group of stars which make some recognizable patterns known as the constellations. Okay, we have many constellations in the night sky. First is called Ursa Major or Big Bear. Okay, Ursa Major and Big Bear is same. Okay, and next is next constellation is a Saptarishi. Okay, Sapta means 7 and Rishi means sages, sadhu. Okay, it is a group of 7 stars. You can see it in figure 1.1. Here is Saptarishi, 3 and 4 stars group. It's called Saptarishi. It is one part of Ursa Major. Saptarishi is a one part of Ursa Major. यहाँ पर कुछ और stars हैं, ठीक है. अगर उन सबको हम एक पैटर्न में जोड़ देते हैं, then it seem as a Big Bear or Ursa Major. Okay, I'm going to show you the picture of big bear. It is not given in your textbook. Okay, I'm going to show you. It's from the reference book. Just a minute, beta. I'm going to show you. See, this is Great Bear. Okay, you can clearly see this is Saptarishi. Okay, and in the sky here are many stars. Okay, when we add a line, if we image a line passing through all these and joining these stars, it seems like as a big bear. Okay, big bear. It is also known as the Ursa Major. You can take the screenshot if you wish to see it. Okay, you can take screenshot बेटा, बाद में आप इसे अच्छे से समझ सकते हो. You can take screenshot. ले लिया सबने screenshot? Okay, now I'm going to again share the screen. Okay. Everyone? Okay, now see. Now you have to read. Now here is given that ask some elder in your family or neighborhood to show you more stars, planets and constellation in the sky. Okay. Venus. Venus, it's look like as a star, but actually it's not a star, it's a planet which we can see from our earth. Venus एक ऐसा planet है जिसे हम अर्थ पे से देख सकते हैं रात में. Okay. You can see Venus in the night sky, or you can take help of your family members to see the Venus. Okay. Venus पर, अर्थ पर मून, अर्थ पर सन राइज होता है ईस्ट में, बट Venus पर सन राइज होता है वेस्ट में. Okay. Now you have to read the next topic. Everyone clear about the constellation? Have you any doubt in constellation, beta? Okay. So now read the next paragraph. Vishwa, you read. Vishwa, you read the next paragraph, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, should I start?
Yes.
In ancient times, people used to determine directions during the night with the help of stars. The North Star indicates the north directions. It is also called the pole star. It always remains in the same positions in the sky. We can locate the positions of the pole star with the help of the Saptarish. Look at the figure. Saptarish, look at the picture 1.1. You will notice that if an imaginary line is drawn joining the pointer star and extend further, it will be point to the pole star. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by light of the stars. Such bodies are called planets. The word planets come from the what is that written in my book is not there so clear.
The word
Greek
planet
word
from the Greek word plantai,
which means wonders, the Earth on which we live is a planet. It gets all its heat and light from the sun, which is our nearest star. If we look at the Earth from a great distance, see the moon, it will appear to be shining just as the moon. The moon that we see in the sky is a satellite. It is a companion of our Earth and moves around it. Like our Earth, there are 7 other planets that get heat and light from the sun. Some of them have their moons too.
Okay, beta.
The solar.
Okay. Now done, beta. Now let me explain till here. Okay. So here is, in ancient time, what is given in this paragraph? In ancient time, people take help of the stars in the night to find out the directions. Okay. As you know, in the daytime, people can able to find out the direction by seeing the sun. But in the night, they take help of the stars. Okay. How they take the help of the star? One star we have in the north side, which is called the North Star. Okay. And North Star indicate the north directions. It is also called the pole star. इसे pole star भी कहा जाता है. Why the North Star is called the pole star? See, here is, suppose this is our Earth. Okay, and here is North Pole and here is South Pole. We have 2 poles, North Pole, South Pole, and a star which always remain in the north side. Just a minute. Is here. Its star always remain here. That's why it's called the North Star, and it is also known as the pole star. क्यों? क्योंकि ये just pole के ऊपर है. Okay, that's why it's known as the pole star. Okay, क्योंकि ये North Pole की तरफ है, इसलिए North Star, and also known as the pole star. So people take help of this star to find out the direction. If they see that star is here, it means this is north, and just behind it in this side here is south. Okay, and right side will be east. Right side will be east, and left side will be west. So it is easier to find the direction with the help of North Star or Pole Star. Both are same. North Star and Pole Star both are same. Okay, here is given the activity. You can see. You can find out the. अब आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि स्काई में कहाँ पे पोल स्टार है? So you can take the help of सप्तऋषि. Okay, you can take the help of सप्तऋषि. जहाँ भी आपको ये group of star मिले, सप्तऋषि, you can focus on these two starting stars of the सप्तऋषि, and you have to look straight, and you will find that 3 stars in a straight line, and you have to pass it. इसे पास करने के बाद then you will see a brightening star. It's our pole star. Okay, it means North Star. So here is the direction. So you can able to see that अगर यहाँ पर pole star है तो just इसके पीछे south होगा, and right is, and here is east, and here is west. Okay, done this. Have you any doubt in pole star? Have you any doubt, beta? If you have doubt, you can ask me. Beta, we have a time. We have 9 minutes more. Okay? No doubts. Okay, beta. So let's come here. Now some celestial bodies. As you know that all celestial bodies, we have many celestial bodies. Celestial bodies means shining object in the sky. But some of them do not have their own light and heat. This type of bodies are called planet एंड मून ऑल्सो. यहाँ पर प्लैनेट के बारे में बताया जा रहा है, दैट्स वाई मून इज रिटन हियर, बट दैट्स वाई प्लैनेट इज रिटन हियर. बट मून्स आर ऑल्सो सेलेशियल बॉडीज, बट दे डू नॉट have their own light and heatness. Okay, so all celestial bodies shine in the night sky, but some of them have their own light like as a star, and some of them do not have their own light and heatness like as planet. Okay, and the word planet, अब जो planet word है जो हम use करते हैं, actually what is the meaning of planet and from where this word is originate? Actually the word planet comes from the Greek word platania. Platai. Okay, it's called planetai, and planetai means wanderer. Planetai is a word of Greek language, okay, जिसका मतलब होता है wanderers. Okay, तो planetai को modify करके planet word बनाया गया, जिसका मतलब है wanderer, यानी ऐसी चीज जिसे देखकर हैरानी होती है कि ओह, कुदरत ने ऐसी भी चीजें बनाई है. Nature make this such a big things. Planets are so big. Our stars are many times bigger than to our planets. Okay, so इतनी heavenly bodies हैं ये हमारे planets और हमारे stars. So we wonder to see them. हमें उन्हें देखकर हैरानी होती है. Okay, that's why people gave the name planet to our heavenly bodies. Okay, which move around the sun. Now, the earth on which we live is a planet. Our earth on which we live is also a one type of planet. Okay, it is a part of our solar system, and our solar system consists sun in the center and 8 planets moving around it, and the earth is the third planet from the sun. Our earth comes on the third place from the sun. Okay, and if we look at the earth from a great distance, और जब हम अर्थ को बहुत दूर से देखते हैं, इट मीन्स व्हेन वी सी अवर अर्थ इन फ्रॉम द स्पेस, इट सीम लाइक एज अ मून. हमें हमारा अर्थ भी मून की तरह ही शाइन करता हुआ दिखाई देता है, चमकता हुआ दिखाई देता है, बिकॉज ऑफ द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ सनलाइट. हमारे अर्थ के पास भी उसकी ओन लाइट और हीटनेस नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी अगर हम दूर से मून की तरह अर्थ को देखेंगे तो अर्थ भी मून की तरह ही शाइन करता हुआ दिखाई देगा, बिकॉज ऑफ द light of reflecting light of the moon. Okay, and here is a question that which is our nearest star? So our sun is our nearest star. Okay, and now here is the moon that we see in the in the sky is a satellite. Moon is the natural satellite of our earth. As you know, here is earth. Okay, and here is moon. This moon is moving around the earth. Okay, and earth is moving around the sun. Okay, जैसे मैंने आपको उसमें दिखाया था, अर्थ तो क्या कर रही है, सन के चारों तरफ मूव कर रही है. ओके, एंड मून मूविंग अराउंड द अर्थ. तो अर्थ के चारों तरफ घूमने वाले हेवनली बॉडी को हम मून कहते हैं. ओके, एंड in our solar system many planets have their moon. Okay, some of them having one, or some of having more than one. Okay, so these all are about the celestial bodies which we see in the night sky. Okay, have you any doubt till here, beta? Have you any doubt, beta? Have you any doubt till here? No doubt? Okay, now we will see.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
What is, beta?
Ma'am, that why some celestial bodies that do not have their own heat and light?
As you know, stars are the celestial body which has heat and light. क्यों? क्योंकि उनके अंदर दो गैसेस हैं जो जल रही हैं, और उनके जलने से उन्हें हीट और लाइट मिलती है. लेकिन जो प्लैनेट है हमारे, दे आर मेड अप ऑफ सम पार्टिकल्स ऑफ डस्ट एंड स्टोन. ओके, उनके अंदर कोई भी गैस नहीं है जो जल रही है जिसकी वजह से उन्हें हीट और लाइट मिले. वो सिर्फ जो भी स्टार्स हैं उनकी लाइट को रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहे हैं, ओके, और उन्हीं की हीटनेस को ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं। दैट्स द रीजन कि हमारे प्लैनेट्स के पास अपनी हीटनेस और लाइट नहीं है, ओके। स्टार्स के पास है क्योंकि वो क्या है, बिग बॉल ऑफ हॉट बर्निंग गैसेस हैं। वो गैस के बड़े बड़े बॉल हैं, जो गैस कंटिन्यू उनमें जल रही है। दैट्स व्हाई वी आर सेइंग दैट हॉट बर्निंग बॉल ऑफ गैसेस, ओके। क्लियर बेटा?
Yes, ma'am. Clear. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome beta. Now here is the solar system. We will read about the solar system and its function in our next lecture, okay. So solar system consists the sun, 8 planets, satellites and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids, okay. And see the next page. Here is given our solar planets, okay, solar systems, and here is the given the position of each and every planet. So you have to read this position of planet and you have to read this information. Here is written that which planets take how many times to complete the one revolution and one rotation, revolution on its orbit and revolution on its axis, okay. So you have to read about it. I will ask you tomorrow and then we will complete the next topic. We will read about the each and every part of the solar system, okay. And your homework is complete worksheet on page number 19. आपको सिर्फ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 छोड़ देना है, ओके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 छोड़कर बाकी 15 तक सारे क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करने हैं, ओके बेटा। Homework is in worksheet. I have to take your attendance also. Note down your homework. I am taking your attendance. Your homework is complete page number 9, but leave page number 19. Complete page number 19. Leave question number 9 and you have to complete also page number 20 where the 15 number question given. ओके बेटा, सिर्फ 9 नंबर क्वेश्चन आपको नहीं करना है, रेस्ट ऑफ यू हैव टू कंप्लीट टिल क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 विच इज ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज, ओके एवरीवन।
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, here you can make beta. Okay everyone, so now take care beta, goodbye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye beta. Yes, here you can make beta. Okay everyone, now take care. Now you can leave beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye beta.